Yeah, I'm back in the house. I enjoyed my vlog. I didn't do too much. As you can see inside of Tjmaxx / Home Goods, it was super duper crowded, you all, so I couldn't finish filming. Share a small clip of me at the movie theaters. I did go see Scream, and that movie was really, really good. If you are into horror movies, then you know, you understand the whole Scream series. That being said, this here portion of the video is going to be my haul. I did get a few things from Tjmaxx, Tjmaxx / Home Goods. I got my Sephora gratis, and I did go to Sephora today. I'm gonna start off with Sephora to try the new Nars Foundation. Because I heard a lot of good things about it, and it claims to be a reflecting foundation, and it's supposed to have like some good benefits to it. Improves skin radiance by link it down below just in case you all wanted to check it out. And if you wanted to use me for reference, I did get the color Cadiz Medium Deep 3. So hopefully this color, I did try it on in the store. It kind of looks like the original bottle. When I tell you this wasn't cheap, y'all. Ooh, child. But I wanted to try it, so I will do it. I think I'm going to do a first impressions on this particular foundation. I had to get the new Fenty I had to get the new Fenty Lemon Lava. Put that on my lips right now, y'all, because it's pretty. And I tried it on at work, and I ended up liking it. Need it? No, but anything Fenty I like to get. And then y'all know I'm a sucker for glosses. This is the heat, which means it has like a tingly sensation. And this came out on Friday. I think the Nars Foundation came out on Friday too. And then I got a razor because get my eyebrows waxed or plucked or thread anymore. I tell you, it's been over 10 years. No, it's been over like 7 or 8 years since the last time I got my eyebrows waxed. So I have been keeping up with my eyebrows with like plucking them and using a razor. Razors that I got from like Tjmaxx. I don't know what it was. My daughter touched the one that I liked. So I ended up buying a new pack. And y'all, when I tell you, I don't like the way they feel, like they tug at my skin and it just hurts. So a Sephora friends was telling me about this here razor. It also comes with replacements. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. This was $16. That's gonna last me forever and ever and ever. So yeah, that was Sephora. And then Tjmaxx, y'all. When I tell you my head was hurting today, I don't know why. I had to snatch my wig off. It's in this hair bag. But when I was at the movies, they gave out this hair poster. So it's always someone you know. Ain't that the truth? Always somebody you know, y'all. Always. My wig is in the bag, y'all. It's like one of my old wigs. Oh no, let me show, hold on. Before I get into that, y'all. So back to Tjmaxx. I got these hair brushes because they were colorful and cute. They were, what, $3.99? Like Real Techniques anyway. When I saw these here cute colors, I was like, okay, yeah, let me grab them. Well, I got this here wine sealer. I guess it's like a wine top. Times when I don't buy wine all the time, but when I do buy it, I do want to have something where I can, like, you know, keep it closed. Just like $4.99. Nothing special, but just something I thought I needed. This here jumper for my birthday trip is all white. And I thought it would be cute for my trip. So it looks like this in the front. And it's like pants. I didn't realize it was dirty on the floor, but I guess I can clean it or wipe it. But it's like these here drawstrings on the side. Oh, it has a slit, like a little slit here. And then I also like the fact that it has pockets. That's medium, so I'm hoping I can fit the medium. So yeah, I think that would look cute on my trip. I got this here bag. It's a Valentino. It's like it's made by Valentino, but it's the Valentino. And I got it because it reminds you of the Gucci Soho bag. And this bag I saw online for about almost $300, and I got it for $200 at Tjmaxx, because I went to the Tjmaxx runway in the glass case, and the lady thought it was $1,000. I think she thought it was like almost $2,000. So when she walked away, I was like, well, let me see this bag, because you know I see the Valentino logo here on the front. You got the Valentino in the inside. So I was like, oh, and then the straps are detachable, so you can like add other straps to this, which I thought was neat, because a chunky chain that I have from Amazon, that would be something you can carry on here. Gucci Soho bag. I never wanted to purchase that bag, but if I can get something that's more affordable that kind of looks like that, then yeah. And then I don't have no Valentino bags, so yeah, I thought that was a good deal. Do a review on this bag, and I'm gonna make sure I can link it down below, because I know after y'all watch my videos, y'all be ready to buy. So I'm gonna make sure I can link it down below for you all if it's available online. And yeah, that was everything from Tjmaxx. Here are the training products for the month of January. Didn't get a lot. I do have this here, what is it, how you pronounce it, Way Detox Shampoo. I never tried a detox before, but I heard it's good for you to do every so often to get like all the buildup in your all the buildup you have in your hair. So yeah, this will be my first time ever trying a detox. If y'all ever tried a hair detox, let me know down below, to let me know, like, do it really cleans your hair and, you know, do what it say it's supposed to do. Because I know if you do a detox, you're not supposed to shampoo your hair. We got this here Advanced night repair. So this is something I probably stick in my bathroom. Find out if I need it or not. Because like I said, they've been giving like a lot of skincare to use a whole lot of skincare at one time. So yeah. Then we got this from Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This is, you all, but we do have this brand in Sephora. So yeah, I guess this is like a I think this is like a heat protector. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I don't know, y'all. We were going to get an actual bottle of the new perfume by Victor and Roth. Gave us the samples because they came out with a new scent. So this here is a little pin that I'm gonna put on my little my Sephora tag. Bomb Ruby Orchid. So yeah, like I said, I thought they was giving us like a little bottle of it. But I'll take what I can get, you all. I love samples. I love like perfume samples, because like I said, I use them. I put them in my drawer. I just have a whole lot. That's why I never really brought like a actual bottle of perfume, because I switch up my perfumes all the time, you all. But if y'all didn't know, Flower Bomb is coming out with a new scent. You may want to check it out if you like Flower Bomb perfumes. We did get a eyeliner by Urban Decay. Okay, this here is the waterproof in the color 0. I hope this is not the clear one. Okay, yeah, good, it's black. So I could use another one. Now I don't know about waterproof. Hopefully it's not hard to take off, because I don't like to struggle with my makeup. You get the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. This is the same as the Tatcha in the jar, like like that little jar thing. I already have that, so I was looking to purchase this back when it first came out, and look, I'm glad I didn't, because now I have it. And I think this is like a full size. Can't wait to use this because this is really good. And I think I like the liquid better than the balm that first came out, because I don't know, it's just better. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. And you can also use this as a face cream. It don't necessarily have to go under your makeup. You can like use this as an everyday face cream. But not least, this is new. It just came out. And this here is by Rare Beauty. She came out with some bronzer sticks. Orange, you all. But I think I saw someone like my particular skin tone use this particular color. So it kind of made her like warm. So with this and the new Nars, that's something I may try out here on my channel. That was everything I got while I was out today. I did go to Zaxby's to try that new garlic buffalo sauce. It was pretty good. So now what I'm about to do is, I don't know, y'all, I'm tired. Like I said, I have a headache. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this here vlog. I wanted to share what I brought. This Valentino bag is so cute. Like, it gives me the Gucci Soho vibe. You can smell that leather too. You can't beat that. Now I might be going on over to Valentino, y'all. It's like, nah, let me go ahead and let y'all go. So if y'all like this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on my subscribe button and my notification bell, so y'all can be what? Notified each week. Till next time, and there will be a next time. I will talk to you later. Bye. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't filming. But here's the outfit on. Like I said, you do have 2 pockets. And it's crazy because I was getting ready to get a large, and as you can see, the medium fits nice. Go ahead and end this video, but I will say it's kind of see-through, so I will have to make sure I wear the proper underwear. So yeah, let me take this hat off because I got on this summer outfit with this winter hat, y'all. I'm tired. All right, see y'all. Bye.